toss it over to Brian Merrick at Department of State. Give us an example. You top-lined a lot of stuff that you all are doing over there. Can you give us one example that you'd like to highlight?
Sure. So, we've been doing some pretty interesting work based on complex mission needs. One of the projects we've been working with one of our key partners on is around solving a lot of the refugee data processing problems around the world. And so we actually are working with them on a really incredible hybrid project where they have folks in the field that are processing that refugee data outside of internet range and then uploading that data once they hit connectivity that comes back to one of our SaaS platforms, and then moving that data back out again to different on-prem environments for storage and further sharing, and also other IaaS environments for analytics purposes with a great security wrap around that. And as we heard earlier, really that single identity solution is critical because identity is now the new perimeter, if you will, in the cloud, especially when we're managing hybrid environments. And in this example, for the most part, the on-prem environment is the one that lacks permanence. It's the cloud that's really getting the focus in a lot of this effort because of the speed of delivery and the ease of sharing of that data as well. So really excited about that, and I think we're going to see a lot more hybrid efforts. And the things that are also working behind the background to fuel that, as we've heard from other panelists, automation is key. And so we're able to scale these efforts by leveraging automation. We've improved a lot of our deployment processes, moving, as I said, towards our DevSecOps model, where now we're deploying code on daily release schedules for some of our platforms. So really making a lot of progress, and there's still a lot of work to do. I think one of the other key things we focused on behind the scenes that's fueling all of this is improving, breaking down those data silos that existed across different stakeholder groups. We've done a lot of partnering with our CDO shop, and really the experiences we got out of the COVID response, we really were able to showcase how cloud can securely make data a force multiplier in the decision support process and also in moving critical information requirements quickly. And so with that, we're partnering with our security colleagues and many of our other key data owners so that we can securely manage APIs better so we can do a lot more data sharing and basically centralize those data stores in single locations that can be shared to multiple locations from that. So that's something we're really excited about. A lot of work to be done in that, but we've definitely started that process.